Can I film you? Yeah? Are you cold now too? Do you want more bites? Yeah? Hey, little boy. You want more bites, huh? Are you chilly? I know it's cold, huh? Yeah. You getting hungry? Huh? You getting hungry? Yeah? Did you tell me about it? Yeah. I know. They just keep on bugging you, huh? You have to chase all those other boys away, huh? Don't you? I know you do. Yeah, I know. Yeah. You hungry? You want another bite? Yeah? Another bite? Okay. Yeah? You gotta tell me. My little buddy? You my buddy? Uh-oh. Be nice. Don't go fighting. Okay? Who fed you? Where did that come from? Now, don't go fighting. I know. Yeah, I know. I'm your one and only. I know. Just chase all the other boys off, huh? Story of my life. Okay. You gonna come over here? Okay, come on. Come on, come see me. Come on. Come see me. Come here, little boy. Oh, really? Okay. I wouldn't have anything to do with all the... Whoa, wee. Wow. You're jealous, man. You're jealous. Nobody could even come around me, huh? You just chase them all off. Whoa. Dude. Okay. Aw, look at those little sweetie eyes. Look at that little face. Yeah. Okay. You're gonna go off camera. You post really well now. Okay, Heathcliff. 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 Off camera. Say bye. Oh, you're gonna come up for a close-up. Okay. Okay, you got your close-up. Oh, that's a good pose. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, I know, honey.